How to change FPL team name. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change the FPL team name. For this, open up any web browser since you're not able to do this on the PL app itself. Now tap on the points section. Once you get here, you want to scroll all the way down and get to the admin section. Now tap on the team details option. Here you have all the details about your team, including your team name, team kit, and your favorite club. Now on the team name, tap on this option. As you can see, your old team name is here. You want to erase that. Then you want to type in your new team name. Your team name can only contain maximum 20 letters. Make sure that your team name is appropriate and does not contain any offensive words. Teams with names that are deemed inappropriate or offensive may result in your account being deleted. Once you do this, scroll down and tap on the Update Details option. Once you do that, as you can see, your FPL team name has been successfully changed, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.